This is the elevator at Macy's at the Tyrone Square Mall in St. Petersburg, Florida. We're gonna go to 2. There's buttons on both sides. There's your what looks like a Montgomery interlock. Also says Montgomery down here. Call button is over here. It's been replaced with EPCO. Let's go down to 1. Neither of the 1 buttons light up, and only one of the 2 buttons, as you saw earlier. Pretty wide doors. Let's go to 2. This is National Cab. Actually, I just realized that says Montgomery Coney right there on the capacity badge, not Montgomery. But this one says Montgomery. Interesting. There's a security camera right there. Kind of weird how the brails are to the right of the buttons rather than the left. 2 of them are missing on this side, and I believe 1 on this side. There it goes. And that'll be it.